Hello Brazilians. I now I am to walking with my host family in the forest.
Oi.
Hi. Robert said me about the forest Amazon.
Amazonia.
What do you think about the Amazon?
I think it's big with lots of fish and I want to go there.
That's nice. It's very beautiful here. A great place.
This is an acorn. This is an acorn.
Acorn. Acorn. It's my third day here. I think today is Sunday in the afternoon. So it's very fun here. I take a diversão a lot with my friends. The first time of the beach. Meu! The first moment. J. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, the beach. Robert, say hey! Say how often do you come here?
Once every 2 weeks.
What do you think about here?
What do I think about here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Really pretty.
It's cold, the water.
No,
No?
not that cold.
I will try the water.
What?
I will try to swim here. Well, everything here is amazing. So amazing. Então galera, isso aqui é meu terceiro dia aqui no Canadá. Eu saí um pouco de perto da família para falar em português. Eu pensava que aqui era uma praia, mas é um lago. Eu pensando que agora eu saguado, e quando eu pulei era doce. Tá muito massa aqui, eu tô gravando esses vídeos para vocês acompanhar um pouco, para tentar viver a experiência que eu tô vivendo aqui. Valeu galera!